Hello and welcome to my video. My name is Hexa and I'm here to show you how to get WinRAR for free. So first you need to open up your browser, type in WinRAR. You can either go through here, their main website, or you can go through the rarreg.key, which will show you all the different languages you can download the WinRAR on. So I'll choose the English version one, the one right here, and 64-bit. My machine is 64-bit. Then I'll open up the file. Yes, install. I'll just toggle everything and get a desktop shortcut. Press OK, and there we go. We have WinRAR installed. Next up is you get this pop-up folder. You right-click the WinRAR, or you first mark it up like this, then open file location like this, and you open up the file to the WinRAR, the main file location. So next up, what you need to do is you need to have this file called rarreg.key. I'll show you what it includes, or what's inside of it. It's basically just information to activate the WinRAR. Nothing too suspicious here, just the license, and pretty sure this is the user who owns the license, something like that. I will leave a download to the key if you want to support me, but I can show you how to make this file yourself, just in case you don't want to go through all that hassle of downloading it and stuff. So what you need is just copy and paste this. I'm gonna also put this down in the description. On the desktop, new file, text file, rename it to rarreg.txt, open it up, and here you go, it's here. Then save it as rarreg.key, and you just type, or you change it from txt file to any type of file, and you just save. I'm gonna do it right now because I already have it there. So there we go. And that's how you make the rarreg.key file. And next, what you need to do is go and take the rarreg.key file and drop it down to the WinRAR folder. Continue. And there we go. And that's how you get WinRAR without any pop-ups or anything like that, for free. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this was helpful to you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.